That again, Sanskrit is a dead language, European one.
No, again and again, we can appreciate and we can salute and we can pray and we can laud our own language. But even the mother Tamil won't allow degrading the other languages. Actually, in Tamil Nadu, in Tamil Sangam itself, Siva dance for both Tamil and Sanskrit. So we always give equal importance. So it's not meant that if you appreciate another language, it is degrading our mother language. My mother language Tamil is with broad-mindedness, and it is a language which is lauded by even the people who are talking other languages. As our Honorable Prime Minister always say, I love Tamil, I love to read Tamil because it is a language which is lauded by each and everyone. Even Bharatiyar learnt 18 languages. Even Kumara Kurubarar, who was a strong Tamil saint, he went to North India and he learnt a northern language, and then he spread the Tamil language there. So even to take the pride of Tamil language to other places, we have to appreciate the other languages. So again and again, Udayanidhi, I strongly condemn him. Sanatan Dharma, he insulted, and then now he is insulting the language, particularly used in our sanctity, in our all our prayers. And nobody is telling don't pray with Tamil. We are giving equal importance, and wherever Tamil is used, Tamil language is a broad-minded Tamil, and our mother tongue says that you have to appreciate other languages also. All our leaders, as I said, Bharatiyar learned 18 languages, so it is highly condemnable. And he has to take back his words, whether it is other language or it is Sanatan Dharma. He thinks that he can make him very popular by all these things. Don't hurt other things.